Spacious storage. With a generous 7.5 cubic feet capacity, this retro refrigerator ensures you have ample space for all your essentials, making it easy to keep everything at your fingertips. Organized convenience. Equipped with removable glass shelves, a transparent crisper, and a full-width door bin, this small upright fridge offers organized and convenient storage for all your food and beverage items. Dedicated freezer. Enjoy the convenience of a separate freezer compartment with ample space for your frozen goods, along with an adjustable thermostat and interior lighting for both compartments. Sleek retro design. Featuring a sleek and durable retro design with chrome trim and handles, this small fridge freezer adds an upscale retro look that will elevate your space. Flexible configuration. The adjustable/removable shelves offer flexibility to customize the interior layout according to your needs, accommodating items of various sizes with ease. A reversible door also allows for flexible opening to best suit your space. Versatile placement, suitable for your kitchen, office, dorm, or garage. This compact fridge features two front-mount adjustable leveling legs and two castors mounted at the back to allow for easy movement in any space.